Let's go harvest and make some floral arrangements together. So this is pigweed. This grows native and wild in southern Nevada, and this is edible. You can eat this weed, but this is an amaranth. This is in the amaranth family, and you see here it has the amaranth, very whimsical blooms that they do right here. If the amaranth gets too big and gets too full, it starts to create pollen and the seeds. So the bees have to come pollinate, and then they seeds, and then it seeds itself, right? It does its self-propagation. But this is the time where you want to harvest for arrangements, to use in arrangements, is you do the pull test. And if nothing comes out, no pollen, no seeds, then this is what you want to use in arrangements, because nobody wants to come home with a floral arrangement that makes everything yellow and spreads out allergies. A lot of people are very sensitive to that, right? So this is the stage. This is the perfect stage to use as filler in your floral arrangements. Just a tip of the day.